Well, good afternoon, friends and followers. Today we are at my father-in-law's wood shop. Down in his basement, he's got all kinds of woodworking tools, and I am working on my floor. To give you a little backstory, the floor we're choosing to do in the bulk of our house is a wide, they call it wide pine flooring. This is hemlock, it's a type of pine. They're wide planks, face nailed, and that'll be in the living room, the hallways, bedrooms. And I'm processing this all myself. Started out as a tree on our land, and we dropped it. Then we skidded it. Then I milled it up with my chainsaw mill into slabs. After slabbing it, I stacked it in the barn for between 1 and 2 years, where it could dry. After it dried there for a couple years, we built the house, and now it's time to use it. So I took these planks and brought them up here, just across town, 4 miles from where I'm building. And I brought them up here. We started off by planing the bottom side, getting kind of the high spots off, making them just a little bit flatter. Now today I'm playing with the table saw. The next step is to give them a square edge. The planks right now are what they call live edge, so it's just a slab and it's got the shape of the tree on both sides, but that leaves a whole lot of gaps when you put them next to each other on the floor. So I have to take all those off and make them into rectangles instead of oblonged and awkward shaped pieces. So that's what I spent the morning doing. I've got hemlock for the floor, and we're also using some poplar that we had on site for the trim. It's going to be painted. However, the grain and there's not much grain to it, but there's a lot of color, so it actually looks kind of nice. I like it. But as you can see here, I took off one side, so now they're looking a little more familiar, like a board. So those are our trim boards, and over here is the floorboards, and they'll look a little more like this once they're complete with a flat edge on both sides. It's not perfectly square and flat yet because I did this with the chainsaw mill before it dried, so now it dried all uneven because it dries based on the thickness of the grain, and the grain changes shape, so that's all different. But so making good headway there. Gonna jump back on the table saw this afternoon and finish taking off a flat edge.